When do you create a pitch deck? There are many different reasons why you may decide to create a pitch deck. Let's look at the main ones. First of all, you may decide to create a pitch deck if you want to convince potential investors to put money into your venture. This is the standard document that potential investors will want to see. Some of them expect a one-pager, whereas others prefer longer presentations. A pitch deck is also the starting point if you want to get a loan. Banks will want to see also the detailed financial model, and in some cases, a business plan. Nevertheless, the pitch deck will help you start the discussion and build a detailed business plan. You will have to prepare a pitch deck if you want to sell the firm. This sort of pitch deck is a bit easier to do, as you will already have some sales, and hopefully, a lot of data to prepare such a document fast. Such pitch decks will usually be more detailed and longer than pitch decks done by startups. When you are selling a firm, you also have to prove to potential investors that the firm can significantly grow in the near future. Pitch decks are required even if you want to go public. You will need a pitch deck to convince potential investors, usually investment funds, to buy your shares during the initial public offering. Some firms hire investment banks like JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs to prepare the pitch deck. This sort of pitch deck is quite often called the roadshow presentation. As we have pointed out, many corporations require a pitch deck if somebody wants to acquire a firm or start a new business. In other words, the pitch deck is treated as a tool to facilitate the internal discussion about the potential investment. As you can see, pitch decks are useful not only for startups trying to get some venture funding, but also for mature businesses. The aim will influence the length and what kind of data you put in the presentation.